Welcome to Run Deals, where we have the deals. If you're looking for a deal, you came to the right place. Let's check them out. Today I want to show you some awesome finds, but first I want to tell you to make sure you subscribe. Subscribe to Run Deals and also click that like button, especially if you want to see the latest deals weekly. Now let's check out what I have this week. All right, I haven't done an unboxing in a while, so we are going to unbox this right here. Let's find out what's secretly in this box. All right, everyone, we're going to go ahead and get this unboxed. I'm curious to see what it is, so let's go ahead and open it. All right, this is something that's going to come in handy, something for the kitchen. It's a cooktop. Let's check it out. So we have the cooktop out and plugged in. So now I'm going to go ahead and add the pot. Placing the pot on top. So next you turn it on. Click the desired temp that you want. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and put some water in here because we're going to boil some water. All right, everyone, I went ahead and put my water in so it can boil right up. This can be used to make cooking sauces, also heat milk. You can also use this cooktop to fry food and also saute. We're not going to show that on camera, but those are also great things that you can do right here with that cooktop. The cookware that is compatible with this is magnet iron pans, stainless steel with magnet bottoms, and also cast iron pots. Please do not use aluminum, glass, or copper on this device. As you know, the surface is going to get hot. Remember, keep your children, pets, animals away. Keep your hands off that cooktop. After you got it heated up, you start putting in your veggies and also your noodles if you're making some type of soup, whatever it could be. Go ahead, start cooking it. It's time. I want to show you up close and personal that the water is boiling and it's ready for us to pursue with the rest of the ingredients. Check it out. Very simple to use. And I know it's going to be easy to make my meal tonight. Run Deals always have awesome discounts and coupons. All you need to do is download that app and also follow us on YouTube and subscribe. With that being said, why wouldn't you do it?